Let's talk about Axis Bank. It was a very strong showing from Axis Bank. The net interest margins coming in at a 26-quarter high, and now it's very close to ICICI Bank. So it's closed the gap with ICICI Bank on all the margin as well as the return ratio parameters. Abhishek is here with the fine print and what brokerages have made of it. Abhishek.
Well, for Axis Bank, it's fired on all cylinders or across metrics if you take a look. So net interest margin is at 26-quarter high of about 3.96%. The NII growth on a sequential basis came in at close to 10.5%, which is the best in 26 quarters, and around 31.1% on a YoY basis, which is the best in last 25 quarters. This has helped the return ratios with ROA of 1.8% and ROE of 18.5%, both being one of the best in last 7 years. So asset quality has been pretty good. The gross NPA ratio has declined to 2.5%. So X of Q2FY23, which was the RBI dispensation quarter, this looks like one of the best in last 25 quarters. And net NPA ratio is at just 0.51%, which is the best in last 28 quarters. So CASA ratio, or the low-cost deposit ratio, has now crossed the 46% level, which is one of the best that you are seeing in last 16 quarters of 4 years. So cost-to-income ratio or operating efficiency, that's also one of the best in last 5 quarters. Annualized slippage ratio of just 1.83% is perhaps the lowest that you are seeing in last 8 quarters. Restructured book has also declined. Watch list has also reduced, which means that the stress in the balance sheet is actually reducing. The only flip side in the result was the deposit growth, which was around 10.1% YoY, one of the lowest deposit growth that you are seeing in last 6 quarters. So PNL, they have beaten our poll both in terms of NII and PAT. Brokerages remain bullish on the stock. They say that this is a time when the valuations are on the lower side and the fundamentals now augur for a re-rating of the bank going ahead. They have raised estimates for FY23 anywhere between 8% to 14%, and for FY24 and 25 anywhere between 1% to 11%. So across brokerages, the new target price range is around 990 rupees on the low side and as high as 1,150 per share. Back to you.